Welcome to the 48th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, the main focus is on the rotated panel of cardigans. Start by removing the sweep from the relevant panels. Then, return to the Knit Spec section and use the division method to create cardigan front panel. First, add relevant node to assist with division. Next, set the appropriate dimensions. Proceed with division. Right-click on the relevant nodes and select Add Division Line. Reset the value of dimension in the middle back to 0. Rotate the panel. Right-click on the panel, set the rotation angle, input the angle, and press Enter. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.